Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mobile Buzz 2.0, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets, giving you all the buzz on what's hot and what's not in the mobile world. If you're all about getting the most out of your smartphone cameras, stick around because today we're talking about the iPhone 15 Pro and its potential successor, the iPhone 16 Pro. Real-world experience with iPhone 15 Pro. After using the iPhone 15 Pro for 6 months, it's clear that experience brings insights. Ranked high among the best camera phones, the iPhone 15 Pro and its big brother, the 15 Pro Max, differ mainly in their zoom capabilities. The Pro Max offers a 5x optical zoom compared to the Pro's 3x. Despite this, both models consistently deliver outstanding photos under any lighting condition. However, there are a few tweaks I'd love to see in the next iteration to enhance user experience even further. User experience and annoyances. Using the iPhone 15 Pro extensively has revealed some minor annoyances that could be improved. From the everyday user to the professional photographer, these small changes could make a big difference. Anticipated upgrades in iPhone 16 Pro. There's a buzz around potential upgrades for the iPhone 16 Pro, and I'm here for it. We're talking about enhancements that could revolutionize how we capture photos and videos. From rumors and my personal wish list, these upgrades are eagerly anticipated. The power of manual controls. One major feature I've been craving is native manual controls within the iPhone's camera app. Currently, iPhone users must rely on third-party apps to adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus. Incorporating these controls natively could drastically change how we use iPhones for photography and videography. Integration of camera settings. It's time Apple rethinks its approach to accessing camera settings. Currently buried in the settings menu, these could be more conveniently located within the camera app itself, similar to other smartphones. This would streamline the user experience, making it quicker and easier to switch settings on the fly. Outro. That wraps up our discussion on the iPhone 15 Pro and the exciting possibilities for the iPhone 16 Pro. What features do you hope to see in the next iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mobile Buzz 2.0 for more updates. Catch you in the next video where we keep buzzing with the latest in mobile tech.